Here's another useful tip. Don't make the aisles too narrow. This is especially so if you plan on gaining a lot of weight or inviting a lot of friends over. Some model railroaders get by with aisles of 2 feet or less, but usually 3 feet is necessary if you have 2 or more operators at once. Let's face it, it's not a lot of fun breathing in to squeeze by another person every time you need to move around the layout. It is possible to skimp aisle space in some areas, but usually the main viewing or operating area needs to be a comfortable width for 2 or more people. When you visit a train show, you'll find that people often congregate around scenic areas of interest such as a turntable, long bridges, engine facilities and busy yards, tunnel portals, a mining town, a train station, or anywhere there's activity. The same will probably happen with your layout. Visitors will gather around areas of interest. In those areas, there needs to be sufficient aisle space to accommodate the congestion. Also be aware of dead ends at the finish of aisles. Although this is not always avoidable, it's not ideal when visitors or operators get trapped by others blocking the exit.